gone up by 3% compared to last April and 30% compared to the same time last year. However, the number of people temporarily unemployed has gone down. Hello, this is Catalan News in 100 seconds. Today, outside of an unemployment office in Gracia, Barcelona. Another 15,000 people lost their jobs in May, with the total jobless figure nearing 500,000. That means a 3% increase compared to April, and 165,000 fewer people registered in the Social Security system. But there are 60,000 fewer people thought to be affected by temporary redundancy schemes than in April. Spain's Congress is expected to pass a sixth state of alarm extension tomorrow. It is expected to be the last one, which will last until June 21st. Pro-independence Esquerra Republicana will abstain, which prompted disagreements with its leading Catalan government partner, Junts per Catalunya.
A partir d'aquí, en el marc del govern, el que tenim clar és que volem afrontar nosaltres amb les pròpies competències la desescalada i això l'estat d'alarma no ho permet.
Catalonia 2022. This is the name of a working group of experts created by the government to reflect on the post-COVID Catalonia. The Supreme Court's decision to ban any non-official flags from institutions has sparked outrage. Barcelona's mayor said that the LGBTQ flag will be used for Pride as usual.
El proper dia de l'Orgull Barcelona celebrarà l'orgull a tots els carrers i a totes les seves places, perquè és una festa que ens identifica com a ciutat.
Protests on Monday evening against racism and police brutality at the U.S. consulate in Barcelona and in Salt, Girona drew a few hundred people. Another is being planned for Sunday. Some 10 museums opened here in Barcelona, while a number of other museums opened elsewhere. In the capital, visitors were allowed at 1/3 of the total capacity. Similar restrictions are applied in monuments already reopening in the areas more advanced in lockdown de-escalation.